Good morning from the beautiful island of Lefkada. Allegedly the clearest waters in the Mediterranean. We're just going out for a little bit of breakfast. We're in Lefkada. Lefkada is an unspoiled island. Not many tourists about, but we'll do some exploring. We've hired a car, so we'll jump in the car later and yeah, go and see what's about. Wow, look at this. This is the village of Nikiana. Beautiful. It has a small but picturesque marina on the north side of the village, where private yachts, sailboats and fishing boats are anchored. Here you can also rent a boat, even without a license, to discover the east coast of the island. After breakfast, traditional Greek coffee, but remember, leave the last third. Very good. This is our hire car. Parked it under a tree yesterday. Keep it nice and cool. We got this from the airport. It was about €250 for 4 days. Beats getting a taxi. Look at this turquoise sea, look. Wow. Wow. This is the beauty of hiring a car. You just go where you want. Find some beautiful little spots like this. Whilst exploring, we've just found this little taverna. So, ideal for a quick toilet stop and a coffee. We're at Porto Katsiki. This is, wow, this is a place to visit. I'll just spin you around so that you can see. Cafes and tavernas, ice cream, but look at this. Wow, look at the colour of that. Oh wow, look at the colour of the sea. That looks beautiful. That is stunning. Oh, I'm going for a swim in there. Wow. Ooh, this is absolutely unbelievable. Look at the colour of this water. This is absolutely stunning. Beautiful. Moussaka and Greek salad. Doesn't get any more Greek than this. If you like my video, give me the thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe for new adventures. This is really nice. We're at Preveza airport and with an outside departure lounge. How cool is that?